We're making air fryer keto cake cranberry trifle. Creamy, sweet and tart, beautifully layered holiday treat. Sugar-free and low carb. We're using keto boxed cake mix. Follow the box instructions. Then add 3 tablespoons coconut oil for extra moisture and a dash of ground cinnamon for that cozy holiday vibe. Mix until smooth. Pour into greased air fryer safe pan and bake at 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes. Let the cake cool completely. Then cut into 1-inch cubes. These golden cake cubes look amazing, but what's going to balance all that warm, fluffy sweetness? The answer is in the cranberry compote layer. It's the special ingredient that gives this trifle its gorgeous, sweet and tart holiday pop. Let's make the perfect cranberry compote. In a saucepan, combine 12 ounces fresh or frozen cranberries, 1 cup water, 1 cup granulated stevia, and 1/2 tablespoon ground ginger. Simmer for 10 minutes until berries burst and mixture thickens. Optional, add a pinch of sand gum for a thicker sauce. Then let it cool. But what will balance the tartness and make every bite silky smooth? Here's a hint: a creamy cloud that ties the whole trifle together. Time to make my favorite layer: creamy, light and fluffy whipped cream layer. It's so easy. Start by whipping 8 ounces softened cream cheese with 3/4 cup confectioner's stevia and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract until smooth. For that extra holiday flavor, add 1/2 teaspoon orange extract or zest. Gradually add 2 cups whipping cream and beat until light, fluffy, and soft peaks form. Now it's time for the fun part. Yes, bringing everything together. To assemble your trifle, start with a layer of cake cubes. Add the cranberry compote, filling in the gaps, and finish with a layer of fluffy cream. Repeat the layers until your trifle dish is beautifully layered from bottom to top. Cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, up to 4 hours, for the trifle layers to perfectly set. This trifle is so pretty, but we're about to make it absolutely stunning. Glossy red candied cranberries and bright candied orange peels add that extra holiday surprise to this indulgent Christmas dessert. Make the candied cranberries, make a simple syrup. 1/2 cup water plus 1/2 cup stevia. Hot but not boiling. Gently add the cranberries, but do not burst them. Let them sit for at least 10 minutes. Then drain and dry them, about 15 to 30 minutes. Next, these bright candied orange peels add extra festive sparkle. Cover the orange peels with cold water. Boil until tender, then drain. Simmer in 1/2 cup fresh water plus 1/4 cup stevia for 10 minutes. And completely dry the orange peels and roll them in granulated stevia if desired. Festive, delicious, and guilt-free. This air fryer keto cake cranberry trifle is the ultimate Christmas dessert surprise. Perfect for sharing this holiday season. For more festive keto desserts, check out my next video on keto cranberry cheesecake bars.